Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to do body tracking using RealityKit in native iOS application. Now firstly I want to mention that given that we are using RealityKit, we can't use the front camera, we have to use the back camera for it. So there is this one limitation of using RealityKit. So firstly I'll show you the output. So here you can see it is able to track my entire body. Now I'm not tracking each and every joints, like I am tracking few joints, but later on I will show you how to I will just show you how, if you want to track each and every bone of your body, you can do that as well. So let's see how to do this. So firstly I have created a native iOS application using UIKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. And the next thing is, first inside info.plist you will have to add this camera usage description permission, because we are using camera. Then I have created firstly a Swift file called skeleton joint. It takes name of the skeleton, like name of the skeleton joint and the position. Then I have created another file called skeleton bone. So it tells from where exactly is the joint from in the two location. And here I have created one center position as well. So the x of from to the 2 of x, x of 2 joint divided by 2, then same for y and same for z as well, and this is how we calculate the length. Then I have created one for bones as well. So here you can see these are the different bones which I am tracking, like the left shoulder to left arm to left forearm, all this stuff. So you can just copy paste this code, and if you see, this is how I am constructing the name, like the join from name to the join to name, and the from the join from name. So basically I am using a switch case, and here I am passing this particular strings. Now here you can't use any strings, like whatever comes to your mind. You have to use this particular strings because that's what have been given in the documentation. So these are the different things which I am tracking, so you can just copy paste it if you want to. And if you see, like I'll quickly show you. So these are the different things which you can use. So I'm not using all of this, but if you want you can use all of this. So here inside bones you can create all this stuff, but I'm using a few selected ones because it's a little tedious to write all these strings by hand, but yeah, this is what it is, and you can just copy paste it. Next I have created body skeleton as well. Now this is the important part. So I am imported RealityKit as well as ARKit. I am extending entity. Then I have created joints as well as bones. Then here we are initializing like overriding the init method, and we are just looping over the joint names. I have created one joint radius as well as joint color variable as well. And then if it is neck, all this particular joints, then I am just doing the joint radius multiply by 0.5. if these are all the things, then just do joint radius multiply by 0.2, and this is the color which I am showing. Similarly for spine, left right hand joint, if some joint name has a prefix of left hand or right hand, left toes and right toes, and for default I am just doing this. So here you can change the color to whatever you feel like. Then I have created one joint entity and appended it as a child. Then we are looping over all the bones. So here you can see that again we are creating this, calling the create skeleton bone, getting the skeleton bone, then creating a bone entity, and then assigning it to each and everything, and then just calling self.add child. So this is mandatory over init method which we have to override, and this is the update method. Now to be honest, even I am not really sure about all this. I have just copy pasted everything from the documentation, so maybe you can do the same thing. Then here I have created another joint method, which again I have copy pasted it, and this is the skeleton bone method, again copy pasted it, and the last one is the create bone entity as well. So again I have just copy pasted all this code. So yeah, sorry about this, I don't have much explanation on all this stuff. So if you want you can just copy paste all this stuff. Okay, then just go to your view controller, and here again I have imported RealityKit as well as ARKit. We are extending the AR session delegate. I have created one AR view. Here we are creating body skeleton as well as anchor entity. Here I have initialized our AR view, and here I have just added it to our view and set some NS layout constraints to occupy the entire width and height. Now this thing, AR body tracking configuration, because we are using this, it automatically uses the back camera. We can't use the front camera. Some of you might think like I will just use AR face tracking on configuration, that automatically uses the front camera, but if you do that, then you won't be able to track your body, so that is the disadvantage. So yeah, then run the configuration, set the delegate, add the anchor, and this is how I am updating the session. So again, this has been override from this particular AR session delegate. Again, I have just copy pasted all this code. So yeah, that's how you can test it. Make sure you run it on a real device. On a simulator it will not work. Yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.